In this video, you are going to see how to type the power number in Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see here, I have written the 6 as the power of 10. So let's get started. Here I have a blank slide. Let us insert a text box and draw it over here. And I want to write 10 to the power 5. So let us write 10 and 5. Select it. You can change the font from here and you can increase the font size. Let us increase it. Now I want to make the 5 as a power. So let us select this 5, click on right button, go to font, or you can go to from over here. Click on over here, then just click on superscript and click on OK. And here you will see the 5 is superscript. You can change the font color from here very easily. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.